Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. This Youtheory Men's Collagen I gave a try a few years ago after I did some research because I was having, my knees were hurting, I was having muscle aches after workouts, and then I also wanted to find something to help my nails grow because they have never grown well. The first thing that I noticed was that the pills weren't really big. I like the size of them. They're actually thin, so that makes it easy to take. And so when I take my 6 pills, which I divide up through the day, it makes it really easy to swallow. And then the next thing that I noticed was after several weeks of getting them into my body, my nails actually started to grow and not chip and break and peel anymore. And finally, I noticed that after I did my workouts, I didn't seem to be as sore and the recovery went a lot faster for me. So if you have been looking for a good collagen shake, I like this one in particular because it has added biotin, then this is definitely one I recommend. I have been using it for years, and I even got my husband to start using it too. And that is just my point of view.